Hi, thanks for joining us. We decided that we are going to do story time. But the girls get a surprise tonight because their cousin Misty bought them something today. So you guys close your eyes. I'm going to put it in your hand. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes so you can't see. Close your eyes till I say open, okay? Are you ready? Don't open your eyes yet. Okay? Okay. Okay, so this one's for Kaylani. Okay, don't open your eyes yet. Don't open them. Don't open them till I say open them, okay? Okay. Oh, keep your eyes closed. Okay, get ready. This is for JC. Okay, open your eyes. What you got? Is that cool?
Yeah.
And those are from Missy. So we're going to read the stories, okay? So you want to read yours first, Daisy?
Mm-hmm.
Is that cool, Kaylani?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's read what it says, okay? This says, yip, snap, yap. Look. It's a doggies, huh? Yeah, it's so cute. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Kaylani, we can't see your face. Oh, there you are. Okay, let's start with this one. So it got to be really quiet so they can hear it's out there, okay? So you want the kids out there to be able to hear the story, okay? Yip, snap, yap. Here we go. We're getting there. Join in with this barking. Are you guys ready? Ruff, ruff, ruff. Can you do it?
Woof, woof, woof.
Then turn the page and make more noises and do some doggy stuff. There's that one. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Let's wait on that book. Dinner time for greedy dog. Now what do they say, Kaylani? Chomp, munch, chew. Can we chomp? Can you say it? Chomp, munch, chew. See? Chomp, munch, chew.
Chomp, munch, chew.
There we go. And then curl up with the sleepy dog. Rumph. Zzz. Phew. Can you do that one? Rumph. Zzz. Phew. Because the doggy's sleeping. The doggy's sleeping. Okay, now what? Careful of the guard dog. Ruff. Gruff. Can you growl? Go gruff. Gruff. Okay. Yeah. It's growling. See him? See him? Him growling. And then, don't catch fleas from itchy dog. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Itchy, itchy, itchy. Where's itchy? We got bugs. We got bugs. Scratch, you guys. Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Can you do mine first?
Okay. Scratch, 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 scratch. Okay. And then, mind your feet. It's yappy dog. Yip, snap, yap. Say yip, snap, yap.
Say yip, snap, yap.
Yip, snap, yap.
Yep,
then
yep, yep.
And then what?
Yep, yep.
Cool down with the hot dog. Pant, slurp, flap.
What's up, flap?
Pant, slurp, flap. Stand up. We can't see you. Say pant, slurp, flap.
Pants up, black.
There's that one. And then what? What's going to happen next? Follow trails with sniffer dogs. Sniffle, snaffle, snoo.
For sniffle, snapper, do.
See?
Sniffle, snapper, snoo.
There we go. And then sing along with puppy dogs. Aroo, aroo, aroo.
I can do that. How? Ow! Ow!
Say aroo,
Ow!
aroo.
Ow!
Okay. There's aroo, aroo, aroo. Can you guys do it out there?
Yeah. Ow!
And then what?
Oh no! Do
Yeah,
it.
you guys know how to howl. Okay, here we go. Barking dog, growling dog, munching dog, snoring dog, sniffing dog, panting dog, Itchy, scritchy, scratching dog, yapping dog and puppy dogs, howling at the moon. With you as well, there's as much noise I'll have to leave the room. It's so noisy. It's all those doggies. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Say the end.
The end.
And show them your puppy. Say the end. The end. Okay, now we're going to read Kaylani's book. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's sit back and listen to Kaylani's. Are we ready? Where's your book, Kaylani? Gotta sit really still so they can hear. Come over here, Kaylani, so they can hear. Hold it. Show them what you got. What is that? That's a rhino.
Yeah. I got it.
So show them. They can't see it.
Can I see
my
my book?
rhino?
Can I see my book?
Yeah,
Mom?
but you gotta be quiet for this one. Are we ready? Okay, you guys ready? Here's our next book. I Know a Rhino. Are you ready, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. This book belongs to you, huh? I know a rhino. Here we go. I know a rhino. We like to take tea. I had 2 sugars and rhino takes 3. Oops, gotta show you a picture. See this picture.
I can't see.
I know a leopard who loves fancy clothes. He always looks great from his tail to his nose. See, guys?
I don't know.
See? And he's got a little fairy. Okay, are you ready? Look at this. What's that, you guys? Do you know what that is?
Wait.
I know a giraffe. Yes. We laugh and laugh. We laugh. And blow hundreds of bubbles when we take baths. The giraffe's taking a bath with her. See the giraffe?
Bath with me.
Oh my goodness. Okay, what's the next one? I know a bear. And when it's sunny, we have a picnic with brown bread and honey.
Honey.
Would you eat with the bear?
Yeah.
You would eat with the bear? Okay, let's show him.
Mom,
Show him. See the bear?
See my puppy dog?
Okay, let's finish our story. We're almost done.
See my puppy
Okay.
dog?
Looky, Kaylani, what's this? What's this animal?
The giant.
That's scary. What is that?
I don't know.
I know a dragon. He's skelly and red. I look after him when he's sick in bed.
Mom,
See?
he's sick in bed.
There we go.
I need something.
Okay, let's finish our story. Guess who's in my band? His arms are quite long. Who's in his band? Who has long arms, you guys? Do you know? What animal has long arms? Let's see. We're going to find out. Oh my gosh. He's an orangutan singing a song. Isn't he funny?
Yeah.
Look how funny looking he is.
Ring the bong,
And the orangutan. See the orangutan?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's next.
Ring the bong.
What's that?
A pig.
I know a pig. We play in the dirt. We always have mud fights, but no one gets hurt.
What do they sound like?
Stand up. What's a pig sound like, JC? That's not what a pig sounds like. What's a pig sound like, Kaylani? Okay. Oh, what's this? It's a hippo. I know a hippo, and when she's not busy, we spin round and round until we get dizzy. You got to come back up here. Okay, you guys, almost done with this story. I guess 2 stories is too much for them at one night, huh? Oh, look at this. What's this? What's out there? You guys, do you see what else there? What is it? These are my friends. I know them, you see. I know them quite well.
That's a monkey.
See, they got a lot of friends. Kaylani. Okay?
I need some drink.
Because they live with me. Look how she sleeps. Do you have that many stuffed animals? Oh my goodness. Look, you guys. There's all kinds. See? All kinds of animals.
Yeah.
Okay, come over and let's tell everybody good night. And thanks for reading with us and show them your animals.
Aww.
Come on. Show them. Say, these are our animals. Say good night.
Good night.
See you guys later.
See you guys later.
Bye-bye.